Hello, so next we'll discuss about S phase. So in S phase, here we have there is DNA replication. So S here means synthesis. So this is a DNA. Okay, this will replicate. Replication, you understand? Like this is a strand, sense and anti-strand, A, T, C, G. It will further form a new strand. This is sense strand. This is anti-sense strand. Here it will come T, A, G, C. This is how DNA replication takes place. Okay, so here what happens, amount of DNA per cell doubles. Now let's say 2C is there, it will become 4C. C depicts concentration, like in chemistry you have heard about molarity. Okay? Anything which is the amount is measured in concentration. So basically it's like that. And here amount of DNA per cell doubles, and chromosome number, it will not increase, it will remain the same as it is. Okay, like I talked about this mitosis takes place in diploid cells. Okay, so now what happens in diploid cells? Diploid is basically 2n. 2n is what? 46. Now how it's 46? 2 times 23. 23 pair of chromosomes are there, right? Now out of these 20, okay, so 46 number of chromosomes. So in the end also we will get 46 only. That means from starting to parent and resulting in offspring we will get 2n. Okay, so this is how it is. Chromosome number will not increase. So now question comes like, in S phase, which activity, or you can say which process takes place? This is an objective question. Is it in increase in chromosome number, is it DNA replication? Rest other two we can write any, like we can write equational division, or you can write separation of chromosomes. So this way the question comes. So these two options will be there. So the answer is DNA replication. Now here we are talking about mitosis. Okay, now whereas what happens in meiosis, if I just to tell you the difference, what happens in meiosis, 23 pairs are there, n. If I say 23, that means I am talking about pairs of chromosomes. If I say 46, that means I am talking about number of chromosomes. Okay, so 23 means, like, out of 23, 22 plus 1, that is XY. 22 pairs and 1 pair this. 22 are autosomes, like normal cells, and 1 pair, this is like gamete cells or germ cells or sex cells. Same way here, 22 pairs plus 1 pair, these are normal cells, somatic cells, autosomes, and this is XX, that means these are germ cells, gametic cells, gametes, sex cells. Now XY, if I'm talking, that means I'm talking about father, that here I'm talking about mother. Okay, when this is the way they fuse. So this is the difference between mitosis and meiosis. Here haploid cells are involved in meiosis, whereas in mitosis diploid cells are involved. Okay, now coming to next part. So like in animals, now mitotic cell division, it is in, like as I told, it is in somatic cells, right? But there are few exceptions. This is in diploid somatic cells. This is like I'm talking about normal mitosis, right? But there are some exceptions also. Exceptions means like which are other than common. So haploid exception is haploid cell in male honeybees. Like generally what happens, it takes place in somatic cells, in diploid cells, but there is an exception, that means which is like a different thing. Now where haploid cells divide by mitosis, and that is in male, for example male honeybees. So this is an exception of this. Okay, so this was all about the S phase. Okay, then now coming to G2 phase. So now during what happens in G2 phase, here proteins are synthesized. Proteins are synthesized in G2 phase for preparation of mitosis, and cell growth will continue as it is. So the question can come like, in which phase of mitosis proteins are synthesized, whether it's G1, G2, S or G0. So the answer is G2. Okay, so this completes the G2 phase, or you can say this completes the interphase. M phase we'll discuss in the next session. Okay, thank you.